warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this opportunity, I would like to finishing my assignment. It is from speaking for academic purpose subject. I'm Anissa Trisnawati and my SRN is 1834002. Mr. Rifai want his student to watch a video from YouTube. It is about Ecuadorian government grapples with COVID-19 cases. As we know, this virus continues to spread across the globe. Europe, Asian, and of course North American has been hard hit by COVID-19. This virus is known on every continent except Antarctica. In South America, especially Ecuador, where is one city, there are body bags literally in street. Yes, they hard to bear in Ecuador's port city of Guayaquil officials have been struggling to keep up with the surging number of deaths. It is a fate no one should have to succumb to being dignity bodies abandoned on street, family pleading for help as this virus spread. It is a glimpse of what it could do in developing world. Dr. Esteban Ortiz said the hospital is lack of medical staff and also lack of respirators, which causes the numbers of death are increased. So the conclusion is the hospital in Ecuador are lack of medical staff and respirator. And next question is, based on your views, what has been prepared and conducted by our government to prevent the outbreak of the virus largely in Indonesia? Today, the government continues to prepare itself in anticipation of the world situation. They may occur related to the corona COVID-19 virus pandemic. The Indonesian government is also keen to appeal to the public to conduct the physical distancing, and people are advised not to be near or gather in crowd or public place. If for to be in a public place, please wear a mask and avoid traveling while out of town or abroad. Implement the work from home, keep distance from others at least 1 meters. When waiting in line, it is such as sitting on the bus or train. And for now, we can worship or pray at home. In addition to the region with cases that have increased significant, they can apply the PSBB or large-scale social restriction. All of this is done to prevent the increasing widespread public health emergency that are occurring among people in a certain area. Okay, we are going to the third number. This question is, what are the ways prevention to avoid being infected by the virus based on your views? Okay, routinely washing your hand, of course, and using a mask when you leaving the home. It is the right step that can be easily to apply to yourself, and the virus is will die if exposed to heat 2 hour to heat for 2 hour. And exposed to material containing alcohol such as hand sanitizer. And in addition, all people are required to apply technique when coughing, okay? Because the virus can easily spread through the saliva. It should be covered with an elbow. It is like this, okay? When you're coughing. And the next question is, what have you done to prevent for not being infected by the virus? It is very important. I have applied the physical distancing for myself by only leaving the house as needed. When I left the house, I use a cloth mask No, not a medical mask, but it is cloth mask. I consume fruit, especially those containing vitamin C, such as orange, and eat the vegetable can also make our body healthier. And all of this I do to maintain the body's immunity to avoid disease. And I also always provide a mini hand sanitizer in my bag so that when I accidentally touch an object, yes, such as a doorknob in a public area, public place, I can immediately wash my hand with hand sanitizer. And in addition, I also do not go home, mudik, because the government has applied to its people to not to go home. Even though I feel healthy, yes, I think I feel healthy, and there will still be a possibility that I will bring the virus to my other's family. Yes. And the last question is, according to you, when will it be over? Oh my. I hope this pandemic is end up before 8 Fitri. Because as we know, every 8 Fitri is usually done by praying in file together and shake hand and gather together with sibling and anymore. So it is will be sad if you cannot do that. You cannot meet your sibling when Idol Fitri moment is come. That's all for my assignment. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi